Hello guys, today we are going to find out the total number of lone pairs of electrons in I3 ion. So I3 ion is generally known as the triode ion. It is one of the polyhalcyon ions. Polyhalcyon ions and is composed of 3 iodine atoms. It is formed by combining aqueous solution of iodide salts and iodine. It is a linear atom. It is formed by the bonding of I2 with I- ion. Triode is red in color in solution. In this molecule, I- is the donor atom. And I2 molecule is the acceptor atom. The electrons are accommodated in the empty d orbital of the iodine. The hybridization of triode ion is sp3d. The geometry of triode ions is linear with the bond angle of 180 degrees. So the structure of I3 ion is as follows, is as given in the figure. An iodine atom has 3 lone pairs of electrons. The central atom is I3- has 3 lone pairs. 3 lone pairs. 1, 2, and 3. And is making 2 bonds with adjacent iodines. Hence it has negative charge on it. Thus the total number of lone pairs of electrons in the structure is 3 plus 3 plus 3, that is 9. So the correct answer or the correct option to this question is option B, 9. Thank you.